Hello everybody! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make Mexican-inspired corn salad. If you're a corn fan, then you're going to absolutely love this salad. The good news is that you can use frozen, canned or fresh corn to make this salad all year round. Today I'm going to use frozen corn, but head over to Blondelish.com and you'll find a quick video showing you how to make this recipe using fresh corn. Heat the oil and butter in a large heavy bottom skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the corn kernels. Season to taste with sea salt and ground pepper. Allow the corn to cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Stir in the garlic and continue to cook until the corn is mostly charred all over and tender. Transfer to a large salad bowl. Now I'm gonna quickly dice the avocado and red onion and add them to the bowl with the warm corn. Some chopped cilantro and jalapeno to boost the flavor up to the roof. Add the crumbled cheese, mayonnaise, freshly squeezed lime juice, chili powder, and season to your taste. Now toss well to combine all this goodness. And taste. This is one of my absolute favorites. So simple, yet such complex flavors. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!